Hello friends, today we'll learn about some Python scripting, okay, which will be like we are going to write some script for telnetting a router which will be in our network, okay. So the script is already available, okay. This is the script for taking a telnet of a router, okay, or telnet of a device, okay. So let me open up my GNS, okay, and then I'll show you how to write a script, okay, and take the telnet of a device. Okay, so we'll just write Python is the project name. Okay, this is my virtual machine which is starting in background. Okay, so Python. So let my virtual machine let it get started, so that because whatever I'll be doing, it will be on my virtual machine. Okay. Okay, done. It started. Now let me take my Python. Easy. It will take little time. Let me check. No, still. Hope it will start. I guess there's some error. Okay, I'll drag it upon. Ah. Okay, so I have dragged my PC over there. Now let me take a Ethernet switch which will be on my virtual machine. Okay, now I'll take a Cisco router, and this netting is nothing but my DHCP server. Okay, so let me just connect it up first. Okay, using Ethernet cable. Okay, sorry. And then this will be my DHCP server. Okay, just mention it over here. Okay, forget this. Now I'll just edit this configuration so that it will take automatically IP address using this DHCP server. Let me boot up my devices. Okay, so it will boot. Yes. Now let me check whether I have got IP address or not. I haven't. So let me go like this. I'll just go and I'll edit. Sorry. The command goes like this. Usually you'll face this problem in Windows. Then network interfaces. Okay, so now you have to edit this. This is like permanent solution, you won't face any problem later on. Okay, yeah, I've saved it. Now I'll have to just stop this and restart again. Okay, I'm starting, and now see a discover packet will be sending a discover packet to the DHCP server, and the DHCP server had given an IP address select for 192.168.122.252. Okay, what the hell this is. Okay, now I have got an IP address. You can see it here. this is the IP address. Now let me just go to my router. Okay, so it is starting. So by that time you can just configure the Telnet scripting. I'm just copying this. I'm just going over here and then nano and Python. Okay, scripting Telnet. Okay, so I'm putting it here and then I'm copying here. Okay, the host name which I'll give an IP address. I'm giving here 192.1.3, which will be in the same subnet. Let's make it little bit more meaningful. This is Telnet. It will ask for your Telnet password, then read until you just see a username. Okay, then I'll just cut this because this is ls. Okay, we don't need it. Cut this. Okay, and paste it thrice or like 4 times, however you want. You can delete it later. Now I just edit this. The command will go like this, enable, then the command will go like this. I'll go in config terminal, then I'll go into interface loopback 1, and then I'm giving an IP address. Okay, 192.1, and the subnet mask I'm giving here is /32. Now interface loopback 1, I'm going to enable the configuration terminal, the interface loopback 1, and just remove this. We don't need to give any no shut command because this is a loopback. It will automatically come up. Now let me check it out, the script, whether it is everything's perfect or not. Okay, now let's come on the router. Okay, I've come to the router. I'm going to an interface which is 0/0. As you can see, I will show you later 192.1. Okay, let me show you the label. This is 0/0. Okay, come here and I'm just assigning an IP address which should be in the same subnet mask, so that subnet mask is. Okay, now I'm giving a no shut command. Now it will come up. Yes, it has come up. Now let me go to a line vty. Okay, and let me give allow input telnet and login local. Hope you all must be knowing this command. Now I'm going and I'm creating a username, for example Goa. Okay, and then I'll give a privilege mode as 15 and then password as Benji. Okay, so everything is fine. Now let me save it. Okay, it will write to my disk. Okay, and now this is for verification purpose whether everything is fine or not. So I've created a line which is 0/4 login local and transport input local. Now I'll just check whether I created a username or not. So I've created a username as Goa and privilege as 15. As soon as it enters, it will directly go to the privilege mode. Then you can configure whatever you want. Then password I've given as Benjamin, that is capital P and capital G as username. Now let me see the IP address. Okay, 103 manual status is up and protocol is up. So the command is okay, sorry. Okay, let me check the script first. Okay, nano python scripting telnet. Yes. Okay, let me copy this again. Copied. I'm just giving an IP address here 122.103, and here I'm giving a username. Okay, I'm just copying this, control key, control, okay, and then I'm just giving a command config t interface loopback 1. Okay, then IP address 1.1.1.255. This, let's remove it. Okay, yes, yes, and this is done with this. Now save it under different name. Okay, and let me check. Okay, so you can see here Python's file. I've already checked. Now let me give an debug command so that whatever happens you'll be able to see it. Just minimize this. So this is my PC Ubuntu, and the username password. Okay, now I'm just using. Okay, so here he is asking you the enter your remote account IP address. So 192.168.122.103. Okay, so password is asking. Okay, sorry. I made a mistake. Okay, here you have to just enter the username. Okay, Deepak. Oh, sorry. The username is Goa. Okay, and the password is Benji. Let me check. See, you can see the telnet data. It is received. Okay, and then later on when you go over here and when you type show IP PR, you will see a loopback has been created. In the same way, you can create more loopbacks like this. So you can just go to nano.python script. Okay, and here you can just later on you can just copy like this, exit. When you exit, let me show you here. Okay, for example, after this you want to create one more loopback. Okay, so you can just control K, control U, okay, and then you can just give 2.2.2.2. okay, and I'll also change this name so that I must not again type the enter your telnet username, so that I must not get confused later on. Okay, now I'll just save it. Yes, same name. Now if suppose I'm just running the Python script again, okay, so it will enter your telnet username. It is Goa and it is Benji. Okay, now see, again the data has received. Now let me check if I got